Welcome to the most mysterious property in the world.
Everything here was left perfectly in place, frozen in time. From the gold-plated fixtures to the designer furniture.
Look at the scale of this entrance. It is absolutely breathtaking, yet eerily quiet.
This is the house that Hollywood forgot. An $80 million price tag, 0 inhabitants, and spread across 10 private acres, this estate was designed to be the ultimate sanctuary.
Even the toys were left behind. Thousands of dollars in luxury machinery just rotting away in the dark.
As we approach the main residence, you can see how nature is starting to take back the land. This driveway once saw the world's elite, now it sees nothing. These gates were designed to keep the world out, but now they are keeping a massive secret in. Just imagine the parties that were planned but never actually happened.
The architecture is flawless. White marble, custom glass, and imported stone from Italy.
This fountain used to be the centerpiece of the courtyard, greeting guests with the sound of flowing water. 10 cars could fit down here, protected by the most advanced security system money could buy. But all the tech in the world couldn't save this family from leaving.
The gardens were once maintained by a staff of 20. Now, it is a jungle.
Here we go. We are stepping inside the $80 million time capsule. The air is heavy.
This staircase is a work of art. It cost over $2 million just to build this one feature.
Look at this. A designer bag and the keys to the house, just left right here on the table. It is like they left in a massive hurry.
The scale of this main hall is absolutely massive. It was built for grand galas and high society events.
Even the ceilings are covered in real gold leaf. The attention to detail is insane, but look closely.
From up here, you get a real sense of the isolation. This house was meant to be filled with life, but now it is just an empty shell.
The entire house is controlled by this smart system. It could manage everything from the temperature to the security, but now it is just a dead screen.
This indoor reflecting pool adds such a serene vibe, or at least it used to.
Now we are in the formal living room. Check out that fireplace. It is carved from a single block of volcanic rock. This room is worth millions.
This is getting creepy. A drink and a cigar left right here, like the owner was interrupted mid-sip and never came back to finish it.
This chef's kitchen is a dream. Professional-grade appliances, custom Italian cabinetry.
The dining room is still set for a party that never happened. The chairs are still wrapped. It is like the house was never truly lived in.
Check out this private cinema. State-of-the-art sound and a screen that rivals any commercial theater.
Your own private club. This bar is stocked with some of the rarest spirits in the world, but nobody has poured a drink here in years.
A temperature-controlled wine cellar with over 5,000 bottles. There is a literal fortune in liquid gold just sitting here, aging in the dark.
This library is the ultimate escape. Thousands of books, a view of the canyon, and total peace. But why would anyone leave this all behind?
We have reached the master suite, and the view is absolutely legendary. You can see the entire city from your bed. This is true billionaire living.
The bed is still made with the finest silk, but look at this. It is like someone was here just moments ago. The house feels alive.
This walk-in closet is bigger than most apartments. It was designed to showcase a world-class wardrobe, but now most of the racks are completely empty. This bathroom is a total spa experience. A solid marble tub and a shower that could fit 5 people. The luxury here is just off the charts. Even the faucets are 24 karat gold. No expense was spared in this house. It is the pinnacle of architectural and interior design excellence.
There are 7 guest suites in total, each one more beautiful than the last. But not a single guest has slept here in 3 years.
Imagine having your morning coffee out here, overlooking your private empire. It is the perfect spot for reflection, if only someone were here. Now for the insane features. An indoor heated pool with a giant media wall. You can swim in the Maldives while you are actually in Hollywood.
A full professional gym that would put most luxury hotels to shame. All the latest equipment, just sitting here waiting for a workout that never comes.
And here is where it gets really interesting. A secret behind this bookshelf lies a high-security panic room that was built to withstand anything. This is the heart of the house's security. But why is the main safe empty? This is part of the dark secret we are uncovering today.
The Wellness Center features a custom Himalayan salt sauna and a marble steam room.
Even a dedicated humidor room for the finest cigars. The level of customization in this house is just staggering. No detail was overlooked.
A 2-lane professional bowling alley.
This house was built for the ultimate entertainment experience. It is a playground for the world's wealthiest people.
Stepping outside, the scale of this property is even more impressive. This infinity pool seems to drop right into the city lights below us.
This outdoor lounge was meant for long summer nights and high-stakes conversations. Now, it is just a quiet witness to the passing of time. Even a championship-sized tennis court. But the game ended here long ago.
Why drive when you can fly? This helipad allowed the owners to come and go in total privacy, but nobody has landed here in years. The ultimate outdoor kitchen, grills, pizza ovens, and a full bar. This was the heart of the party. Now it is just a ghost town.
The estate extends far beyond the house. Private trails, hidden gardens.
$1 million sculptures line the walkways. The art collection alone is worth a fortune, and it is all just sitting here in the rain.
This viewing deck offers the best perspective of the entire canyon. It is the perfect place to see the world, but nobody is looking.
This is it, the $80 million view. When this house is lit up, there is nothing else like it on the entire planet. Pure magic.
The transition between indoor and outdoor living is seamless. It was designed for the ultimate flow and the most sophisticated lifestyle imaginable.
Look at that engineering, an entire wing of the house just floating over the cliff. It is a masterpiece of...
Every surface you touch is the finest material money can buy. Marble from Italy, silk from France. It stands as a monument to success, a glowing castle on the hill. But a house is not a home without people to live in it. $80 million, that is the price tag for this mystery. But the real question is, why has nobody been willing to pay it for 3 years?
The dark secret isn't just about the money. It is about the family that built this, the tragedy that occurred, and the silence that followed.
In a market this hot, a house like this should have sold in days. But some secrets are just too big for even the wealthiest buyers to handle. What would you do if you had $80 million? Would you take the risk on this masterpiece? Or would you leave it to the ghosts? If you want to see more of the world's most insane and mysterious properties, hit that subscribe button right now. We are just getting started.